I built Lodestar for the moment GPS dies. The failure that kills a drone is not drift. It is a confident wrong position, so I made it hold under 1%, and know the instant it cannot be trusted. The case that breaks naive vision odometry is a moving convoy. Stock VIO locks onto the trucks and flies off. My masked estimator rejects them and holds, and it stays honest, dropping to amber when static features are scarce. In a dark tunnel, the features vanish. This is the part I care about most. It flips red and returns home. It will not bluff a position it cannot trust. Knowing when it is blind is the whole point. Against independent ground truth, Dead Reckoning drifts 31%. Lodestar holds 0.9 and flags the blind tunnel every single time. I put the integrity monitor outside the estimator on purpose. Trust must not depend on the thing being trusted, so I can prove every position before a drone acts on it. That is what I am building. This is Ashutosh, founder of Veriprajna, building true intelligence.